say hi now?
Hi.
What are we about to do?
Let's see what Mimi Dubs.
Mimi Debs. We see Mommy and Peyton back there. Hi. We're about to go on a little adventure.
Yes.
Say adventure?
Adventure.
In the Raptor.
I like
The truck.
truck.
All right, we're taking Daddy's truck to go some paddle boarding. Go do some paddle boarding with the family and go to the in-laws house and get some sunshine and have a little adventure. So it's gonna be fun. Let's go. All by yourself. Here we go. Oh yeah, buddy. This is why I love having my truck and why I love Sarasota Ford and everything we're doing to this truck as this classical music is peacefully playing. But it's for these reasons, like to take the girls out for a little adventure, to be able to throw a paddleboard back there or weights back there, or whatever it is, and be more adventurous. Because I used to drive a RAV4 and you couldn't fit anything in there. So days like this are the reason why I really love this truck. Seatbelts. You're face to face with greatness and strange.
Don't even know how you feel.
It's adorable.
It's nice to see that humans never change.
She's ready. You ready? Sammy? Say coconut. Ready? Say bye, Mommy.
See a dolphin.
Fourth session ever.
That's it, you're done.
That's it. Done. All right, you want to stand up?
Hi, Gianna. Gianna, was that fun?
Yeah.
All right, watch.
See any dolphins?
Okay, take it
All
back.
right, let's go. Let's go back to the car. Oh. Yeah, we're gonna go in the hot tub now.
Go in the hot tub. Follow Daddy. Let me get this out. There we go. All right, thanks, baby. Thank you. All right, you can go to the car. All the kiddos are tired. Wanna go take a nap? Yeah, take a nap. All right, we're back on the end of our street. That is exactly why I freaking love this truck. Paddleboard in the back, we got the baby and mama in the front. Love making memories with this truck and with the fam. It's the best. So what we're gonna do now? What are we gonna do now?
Where are we going?
Go see Mimi.
And go in the hot tub?
Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it, baby. So yeah, massive shout out to Sarasota Ford and 707 Performance for the custom work on this Raptor. I think it's safe to say I'm obsessed. So thanks a lot for everything. Phenomenal day so far. I never thought I was gonna be a truck guy, but here we are. It's the best. Hey, cheers. Thanks for watching. Happy weekend, happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. I'll see you in the next video.